Daddy. There is Pac-Man. Oh, on my feet. Alright. Big Mama. Big Mama and Daddy. Girls, be nice. The shade is tuckered. Miss Pris is something else, aren't you? You're just something else, aren't you? Give me some belly. Hmm? Give me the belly. Give me the belly, Miss Pris. Give me that belly, Miss Pris. What are you doing, Big Mama? Can you get up? There you go. Ken's girl. Hi, Kitty's girl. Bless you. You cannot have this, Big Mama. I think Pac-Man has decided that Shade had the right idea. Is that right? Yes, big boy. Little sweet boy. Yes, slippers. Dottie. Dottie. There is Josh and Jenny Whitfield's girl. She's a cutie. Real calm-natured. My girl, Crystal. Hey, baby. Have a look. Say hello to the camera. Miss Paris. Miss Paris. You were making it hard for me to film. Bruno. Bruno, can I have some belly? Give me some belly, big boy. Can I see that belly, big boy? Yep. Up. You don't want to attack him just because he's on his back. Alright. Easy busy. Dottie. Where'd you go? Dottie, come here. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Let me have a little belly. Let me have a little belly, Dottie. Let me have a little belly, Dottie. Who wants a snake? Does anybody want a snake? Bruno? What do you think about that? Nothing? Get it, boy. Miss Pris is joining the ranks. They are going out one by one. First Shade, then Pac-Man, then Miss Pris. Come on, Big Mama. Don't rile them up. And my girl Crystal over there, of course, like, please take this. harness off of me. No. Daddy. What you got there, Dottie? Won't be long before somebody comes to take it. Girls, girls. Girls. No. Be sweet. Ken's girl, is a strong-natured personality. Hey, puppies. Oops. Not too happy about his collar either. Alright, well, you know what? I think everybody's getting a little tired of it. The pile is growing. The pile